The best workout splits for building muscle. 1. Why your training structure matters more than you think. When it comes to building muscle, most people focus only on exercises, reps, and supplements. But how you organize your training across the week has a bigger impact than many realize. Your training split determines how often you stimulate each muscle, how much recovery time you get, and how effectively you can push each session. A poorly planned split might lead to overtraining one area while completely neglecting another. On the other hand, a smart, intentional structure spreads volume and intensity across the week in a way that maximizes growth while minimizing fatigue. Getting your split right is the key to consistent, long-term progress in the gym. 2. Total body sessions for maximum efficiency. Total body workouts are often underrated, but they're incredibly effective, especially for beginners, time-strapped individuals, or anyone who prefers shorter, more intense sessions. These workouts hit every major muscle group in a single training session and are usually performed 2 to 4 times per week. They're ideal for learning compound lifts, improving overall conditioning, and establishing a strong muscular foundation. Since you're training each body part multiple times per week, you get frequent muscle stimulation, which is vital for growth. Plus, they leave room for more flexibility in your weekly schedule while still building muscle effectively. 3. Upper and lower body pairings for simple progression. One of the most balanced and effective splits is the upper-lower format. This routine divides your week into 2 primary categories: upper body and lower body training days. It's easy to set up as a 4-day program, like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and allows each muscle group to be trained twice weekly. This creates an excellent balance between intensity, recovery, and volume. You can even tailor one upper day for strength and the other for hypertrophy. Whether you're training for aesthetics or performance, upper-lower splits are straightforward, time-efficient, and ideal for intermediate lifters looking to step up their routine. 4th, movement-based routines for smart programming. Instead of organizing workouts by body part, some lifters choose to build their routines around movement patterns. A common example is the push-pull-legs method, which groups exercises by how your body moves. Push days involve presses and extensions, pull days cover rows and curls, and leg days tackle squats and lunges. This split can be cycled through 3 times per week or repeated across 6 days for high-volume training. It allows for consistent muscle engagement with minimal overlap, meaning each muscle has ample time to recover before being hit again. It's a method favored by serious lifters who want structure and scalability. 5. Isolating muscle groups for maximum focus. If your goal is to sculpt and isolate every part of your physique, you may benefit from a body part-focused routine, commonly known as a traditional bodybuilding split. This format typically assigns one muscle group per day across a 5 or 6-day week. Chest on Monday, back Tuesday, shoulders Wednesday, and so on. While some criticize this method for its lower training frequency per muscle, it excels in providing maximum volume and attention to detail. For experienced bodybuilders who recover quickly and want to perfect lagging areas, it remains a valuable tool in the muscle-building arsenal. 6. Hybrid splits that combine the best of both worlds. Some of the most effective training programs don't strictly follow one style. They blend multiple approaches. For example, combining upper-lower sessions during the week with a full-body workout on Saturday provides both focused volume and frequency. Or you might alternate between push-pull and body part days to vary intensity. These hybrid splits can be customized to match your recovery ability, time availability, and weak point focus. They also prevent mental burnout by keeping your training fresh and flexible. If you've tried traditional formats and hit a plateau, hybrid planning might be the reset your body needs to reignite progress. 7. Matching your split to your experience level. Beginners, intermediates, and advanced lifters should not all follow the same routine. Beginners generally thrive on full-body workouts or upper-lower splits because they need less volume and recover faster. Intermediate lifters benefit from push-pull legs or hybrid plans as their capacity for training increases. Advanced athletes, whose goal is often detail and precision, can handle more complex and frequent splits like 2-a-day body part routines or 6-day PPL formats. Your experience dictates your workload tolerance, ability to recover, and the specificity needed to grow. Matching your split to your training maturity ensures consistent improvement without overreaching. 8. Recovery days are part of the plan, not time off. One of the biggest mistakes lifters make is treating rest days as an afterthought. In reality, rest is when the muscle-building process happens. Without scheduled recovery days in your split, you risk injury, fatigue, and stalled progress. A well-designed split will include 1 to 3 rest or active recovery days, depending on your intensity and total weekly volume. These breaks allow the nervous system and muscle fibers to repair and adapt, making you stronger in the next session. Yoga, light cardio, or stretching can be great on off days, helping circulation and reducing soreness without compromising gains. 9. Frequency versus volume. Finding the right balance. One of the key decisions in building a split is deciding how often to train each muscle, frequency, and how much work to do per session, volume. Some routines train each muscle once per week with high volume, while others spread the workout over multiple days with lower session volume. Research shows that training a muscle group 2 times per week often leads to better hypertrophy results. The trick is balancing both elements based on your ability to recover. More frequent training means you can reduce per-session workload and maintain energy, while less frequent training requires higher volume to compensate. 10. Adjusting your split based on progress and lifestyle. No workout split is set in stone. Life changes. Schedules get hectic, sleep suffers, motivation fluctuates, and your training plan should evolve with you. If you're missing sessions consistently, consider switching to a 3-day full-body or upper-lower plan. If you're recovering faster and want to train more, try a 6-day PPL. Periodically reassessing your progress, soreness levels, and excitement for training helps you know when it's time to make adjustments. The best split isn't the one with the fanciest name, it's the one that fits your life, keeps you consistent, and delivers measurable gains week after week. If this guide helped you better understand how to structure your training week for more muscle and better recovery, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We've got more expert breakdowns and advanced muscle-building strategies coming your way. Make sure you don't miss them.